Find your way to the taste of, the art of, the beauty of Florence, Italy, and discover the International Art Doll Registry Art Doll Convention being held there. There will be workshops with such talented artists like Patrizia Cozzo, as she teaches sculpting a polymer head, as well as the textile magic of Anna Esposito, as she teaches us the blending of fibers using the water felting technique. Register now for the best pricing to attend the event. Learn more about the IADR Art Doll Convention by downloading our free special issue. They can be found on our website under Magazine or click on the 2025 Convention button.